Now, isn't this a beauty? Yep, it's my ride. What is the scariest fear you have when you own a Leica? That is to drop it, and it happened today. Guys, I just dropped my camera. I know it was coming sooner or later, but that hurts. It hurts. Did you hear that in the rear of your head? Even if you live in another continent, did you hear that? No, that was me. That was me. I was so stupid. I was thinking I was dropping the backpack and I dropped the camera instead. So stupid. Anyway, couple of dents here. I don't know if you're able to see them. And also the rubber protecting the EVF is damaged. But internally it's not. So nothing happened internally. It's still working. So far so good. I had a quick test going around in the city center downtown just to be sure that oof, my bad. I will show you. I moved the focusing point and it was overlapping with the aperture priority mode I selected, and I thought that something was very wrong with the screen, but you know, guys, I really need to focus today. I don't want to drop anything else, so maybe I will just call it a day and start editing the videos instead. Anyway, I will keep you posted, and in the next few days I will keep using it and checking if I've been lucky enough only to get a couple of physical damages on the shell of the camera, but not on the inside, because I really don't want to send it away. I don't want to stay weeks without it, waiting for Leica USA to fix it if anything happens. So finger crossed.